Hey guitar buddies, no guitar lesson in this video. Instead, I've got a special offer. You can get a 7% discount on your first year's subscription to DistroKid.com by following the link below. Okay, if you join through that link, you'll get 7% off the normal price of $19.99. So DistroKid lets you share, distribute your music through things like Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Amazon, etc. There's a big list on the page that I'm sharing here. Okay, and the nice thing about DistroKid is that I've previously released things on Spotify and iTunes, a couple of tunes, and it's cost me a fee per tune per year. Okay, so every time I want to release something, I have to pay separately. Now, DistroKid, I've found out, I've only just joined, will let me do unlimited uploads. So I can upload as many tracks as I want. So it's a good reason to go back through my back catalogue of like soundtracks and songs that I've done and just put them out. Why not? Okay, so let's try one. So I've gone through my hard drives and found a piece of film score that I wrote. So let's go through the process, have a go at releasing it. All right, so here we go. I'll release it on everything. I've just gone to the upload link here. Upload. One song. Try that. It's not been previously released. I usually go by my nickname, The Jace. Okay, so let's just pop that in there. Okay, and pretty quickly, it seems to have found The Jace on Spotify. So let's just see. Okay, well, that's me. So, okay. That's me. And there seems to be two The Jaces on Apple Music. Which one is me? That's not that one. So, presumably, that's the two tracks I've released. Okay. So let's go. Boom. Yes. Okay. Release it today. Record label. I don't have a label, but it says you can make one up. So let's go for The Jace. Okay. And I've got some artwork I've prepared. Okay, so you need some cover art, 3000 by 3000 pixels, original artwork. So there's a clip from the film that we worked on. Okay, so hopefully that will be fine. Okay, and then language English, genre. Okay, so I guess this would fall in the category of, okay, we've got soundtrack. Soundtrack. Soundtrack, the genre is for film, TV, and the soundtrack. Those require that you must, okay, so parenthesis, original motion picture soundtrack. That's okay. So song title, let's go with The Sitter. And let's just do what it says. Okay. This original motion picture. Alright. And then choose file. Okay, so I've got the file already on my desktop. Okay, so I did write this song. Okay, songwriter's music. It's an instrumental. So let's go for my name, Jason Francis. Have you known my middle name? Reed. Do that. No lyrics. Is this a red? No. Instrumental. This song is instrumental. Yes. 19. Yeah. Okay. Let's review. Yeah, that's fine. Just go with all that. 3. Yeah, let's tick that. These extras, we'll ignore these for now. Let's just tick all these. Okay. That's fine. And done. All right. Uploading the artwork. Here we go. And up goes the track. See what happens next. Exciting. Nice thing about this is finishing. Okay. I'm kind of encouraged now to write some more new music because I can now put as much out as I want this year. Okay. And all right. So when will your single be released? Give stores up to a week to push your album live. Okay, but that's essentially it. That seemed pretty easy. Okay, so I did that. It's the first time I've done it, but it all seemed pretty straightforward. So if you want to join DistroKid and start uploading your tracks, your original music, etc., just follow the link below and get making some music and have fun. Thanks for watching, buddies.